Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, we'll be going through Stressen's matrix multiplication. So initially, we all know that how normal matrix multiplication is done, right? So what is the difference between these two things we'll be learning in this lecture. And we will be seeing how Stressen's proposed his method to solve the matrix multiplication problem. Okay. So basically, the normal matrix multiplication, I hope everyone knows that. So just give me a second guys, Okay, so the normal matrix multiplication A11, A12, A21, A22 with B11, B12, B21, B22. I am assuming 2 cross 2 matrix multiplication. So assuming the result is C11, C11, C12, C21, C22. Okay. So for that the result is nothing but, I hope everyone knows that. So the first C11 is nothing but A11. Okay, sorry for that. So basically everyone knows that what C11 is. C11 is nothing but CA11. Okay, so A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. So this into this row into this column, and A12 is nothing but this row into this column. Okay. Similarly, this row into this column will be C21, this row into this column equal to C22. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So if you want me to tell the formulas, that is nothing but C11 is nothing but A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. Similarly, C12 is nothing but A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22. Similarly, C21 is equals to A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21. Similarly, A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. Okay. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So for this, let us take a small example: 1 1 1 0 0. Sorry, 0 1 0 1. Okay. So you will be multiplying this. So 1 into 0, 1 into 1. Similarly, 1 into 1 into 0 into 1. So it's the same process. 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1. 1. Similarly, A21. For A21, we will be getting 1 into 0 into, 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1. That is also 1. C12 is nothing but 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1. That is also 1. So we got the resultant matrix as all ones. Okay. So if you want to write an algorithm for this, this is just a simple matrix multiplication, right? Okay. So for these kind of matrix multiplication, you will be writing it in this way. So void multiplication, multiply, or you can write algorithm multiply A of 2 brackets, B of 2 brackets, C of 2 brackets, because all these belongs to 2D matrices, right? So A and B are the inputs and assume that C as the output. Okay. So for of I equal to 0 to n, for of j equal to 0 to n, like all the elements you need to multiply rows with columns, right? So for those kind of operations, you are doing it in this way. Assume C of I and C of j equal to 0. For of k equal to 0 to n. So here is the matrix multiplication logic which you will be doing. C of ij is equals to C of ij plus A of ik into B of kj. So this is a small logic which you will be writing, but if you observe here, this is inside 3 for loops. So the complexity of this problem will be big O of n cube. So when even by giving small values, all small, sorry for that, for even if you are giving small inputs like 3 numbers, 4 numbers also, it will be a lot in with respect to any kind of normal algorithm, right? Okay. So this is basic multiplication, guys. I hope everyone is having an idea about that. Okay, so if you want me to explain, I can explain that also. There is no issue in it. So basically here you will be doing nothing but you will be multiplying row with column and adding the individual terms, guys. That's it. Okay, so if you want me to solve this, so this will be done in 2 steps, guys, basically. So first you will be multiplying these two. Okay, and that will be stored, and again you will be multiplying these two, and this 2 will be added with the previous result. So that is nothing but this step. So that process continues that many times as depending on the n, the size. If the size is 2, it will be done 2 times. like these two, then these two, right? Okay, so it takes big of n cube of time. So that is the reason why Stressen's came with a algorithm for it. So basically he told that he can reduce the matrix multiplication operation into approximately big O of n square. Okay, so when compared with big O of n cube, this big O of, okay, sorry, I think his also was approximately equal to big O of n cube only, but with some kind of extension like big O of n 2.8 or something. Okay, okay, so big O of n square, this is nothing but for addition. Sorry guys, I didn't observe it properly. Okay, since matrix multiplication big O of n cube operation is more expensive than matrix addition, so basically addition normally takes big O of n square. Okay, so hence a small idea could be, instead of multiplication we can use addition, right? So that is the thing that Stelline's algorithm came into play. So this is also approximately big O of n cube, that is nothing but big O of n power 2.8. So it is approximately equal to big O of n cube only. But this algorithm is used, like this algorithm works only for 2 into 2 matrix, because it was designed for 2 into 2 matrix only. So it will be working perfectly or working well only on 2 into 2 matrix. So here we will be having a list of formulas. Instead of using matrix multiplication, these all take less time complexity, right, to calculate these things, like small things. And after that you are having 4 main formulas through which you will be finding the result. Okay, okay, so let us start the problem. So initially the main thing will be remembering these formulas. Okay, so even I searched multiple places to find some tricks, so I found some tricks and I implemented few of my tricks also inside it, so it became really easy to remember it. Okay, okay, so the first thing is, first of all write, okay, so first of all you will be writing a 2 into 2 matrix, 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2. Okay, so after that you write 6 letters, I think so, 8 or 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 letters, 7 letters from P to R, P Q R S T U V. So these are the 6 letters, sorry, 7 letters that you should write. Okay, so in the first letter, okay, so this is one matrix and the other matrix is also 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2, right? So one is A and one is B, right? So for these two you are applying matrix multiplication, that's it, right? Okay, so the first thing is that you need to add the diagonals. So just add the diagonals and use multiplication, add the diagonals, use multiplication in between. So that is nothing but A11 plus A22. So assume A11 A22 into B11 B22, B11 plus B22. Okay, so this is a small logic to remember the value for P. Similarly for Q R S T, so these 4 comes under one kind of bracket, you can say. Okay, so for these 4 initially write B11 A11 A22 B22. Okay, so we will be saying DAB, right? DAAB. So just change D to B, BAB, BAAB. Write 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2. So you will be getting the first terms 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2. Okay, okay. So after that you start drawing the lines. So remember in this way. So you are writing from QRST, right? So I hope everyone knows the Z representation, Z. Like how Z will be there, like write in this way. This is Z, right? So reverse Z. Okay, so basically Z will be in this way. This is nothing but reverse. So in this way. So here write Q, here write R, here write S, and here write T. Okay, so the direction of these two will be in this way and these two will be in the opposite way. Okay, so this is nothing but even you can say it assume as S also, angular S or some kind of S. Okay, and for the bottom and the top it will be positive, like horizontal lines positive and vertical lines right negative. You will be understanding why I am saying in this way, because you need to remember this and then you can directly write the formulas, like all formulas you can derive from this only. Okay, for B11 that is nothing but Q. Q, observe in this. So I told here Q, right? And that too it is positive Q. sorry for that. Okay, so positive q. Okay, just give me a second, guys. Okay, so you'll be assuming it as positive. So 2 1 and 2 2, the direction is in 2 1 and 2 2, and I told it is positive. So here it is having b, so write a 2 1, it is positive, so plus a 2 2. Clear? Okay. Similarly, a 1 1 means that is nothing but r. I told downwards, and that too it is negative. So b, it is a, so it will be b 1 2 minus b 2 2. Clear? Okay. Similarly for s is nothing but upward and negative. So b21 minus b11. Sorry, it is plus, up by minus, right? It's upward, minus. Similarly b22. So again we are back to a11 plus a12. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea on these 4 steps. Okay, so similarly continuing with the u. Okay, so u is nothing but, okay, just give me a second, guys, I'll be back. Okay, sorry for that, guys. So let us continue. So now for u, you will be writing these two and these two. Okay, so you will be writing in this way, that is nothing but a21 minus a11 into b11 plus b12. Okay, so just opposite of this is nothing but a12 minus a22 b21 plus b22. So you will be getting all p, q, r, s, t, u, v. All the formulas I have just derived them, guys. So you can even remember them directly, or you can use this method to remember. Okay. So after that you are having C1, C11, C12, C21, C22, like the matrix values, right? So those are the things that you want. We don't want this p, q, r, s, t. Okay. So assume them in this way: C11, C12, C21, C22. Okay. So for this also there is a small trick, guys. Okay. So assume few statements. Okay. Okay. So in police station there is a TV. So police station, PS is nothing but police station. There is a TV. So you can write police station, TV, television. Okay. So in television, Ratan Tata is coming, like any kind of his ad or anything, something is coming. So Ratan Tata, RT. So what is the letter after, sorry, what is the letter before T, sorry, before R is nothing but, before R is nothing but Q, and before T is nothing but S. So finally we got this. Okay. Similarly we are having priority Q, right? Priority Q. So priority, so PR, Q, QU. Remember in that way, guys. Okay. So write all pluses. Here minus minus. Here there is nothing. So you can even write minus 0 0. And here again you will be writing plus plus 0 0. So these are neglected. So you will be getting this as the result. Okay. So this is nothing but C11, C12, C22, C12, C21, C22. So we got all the results. So the algorithm, the remembering the formulas is a bit complex when compared with the problem. So there will be a matrix given for you, 2 matrices will be given for you, and he will be asking for the result. You will be just substituting the values in the matrices, in the formulas that we have designed. For P you got 2, Q we got 0, for R we got -1, for S we got 1, for T we got 2. Okay, so you can just solve it, guys. Even you can, if anyone can solve it, just substitute the values and you will be getting U equal to 0, V equal to 0, at the end C11. So police station, TV. In police station there is some TV. So remember, positive, negative, positive, like opposite things, positive, after that negative, after that again positive. Okay, so Ratan Tata is coming in the TV. Before R is it Q and before T is S. Similarly, we are having priority Q. So P, R, Q, U. So you can just solve it. So you will be getting the final result as this. So basically this is a method which is really interesting. Like you are doing the same process, but you're doing with some formulas. Right? So, but this is a bit complex when compared with the previous one also, because remembering all these formulas or computing all the values is tough. So this problem is not preferred because there are few reasons. It is complex to implement and we need a lot of space also. So basically to store all these P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, 7 elements followed by C1, C2, C21, C22, for all these things we need space, right? So that is the reason why this method is introduced, but it is not used a lot. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So till now we have completed the divide and conquer algorithms, like the main algorithms. So in the next lecture we'll be starting with the greedy algorithms, guys, and greedy method. We'll be introducing greedy method and we'll be continuing with greedy algorithms. So let us meet in the next tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching.